Welcome to our channel, Eve Kids!
Imagine opening the door to a secret, buzzing city, alive with tiny wings and the sweet promise of honey. Welcome to the world inside a beehive. Thousands of bees work together on one tasty mission: making honey. Our adventure begins outside the hive, where a honeybee zips from flower to flower, searching for delicious nectar. Using her special straw-like tongue, she slurps up nectar and stores it in her honey stomach, a backpack made just for nectar. Back at the hive, the magic really gets buzzing. The forager bee shares nectar with other workers by passing it mouth to mouth. Each bee adds a tiny drop of special enzymes, breaking down nectar and starting the transformation into honey. It's a sugary relay race. The nectar is still watery, so bees fan their wings over it for hours, making a giant fan to dry out the mixture. Slowly, the nectar thickens into the sweet treat we know and love: honey. Once the honey is ready, bees carefully seal it inside the honeycomb with a wax lid, nature's perfect storage jar. So next time you taste honey, remember, it's the result of amazing teamwork, clever science, and a whole lot of buzzing. Bees are nature's little alchemists, turning flowers into gold, one drop at a time.